To export a snapshot and go high level, start by logging into your account and ensuring you are in the agency dashboard, not a sub-account. From there, navigate to the Account Snapshots section and select the specific snapshot you wish to share. Once chosen, click the three dots on the right-hand side. Then select Share Snapshot. You will be presented with various share type options, including a one-time share link, email share link, permanent link, agency restricted link, or sub-account restricted link. The agency restricted link is only available to agencies, while the sub-account restricted link is only accessible to sub-accounts. To share the snapshot, choose the desired share type, in this case, a permanent link, and click Get Link. This will generate a link that can be shared with anyone. The process is now complete, and the snapshot can be easily shared.